Hello and welcome to our video today about genetically modified organisms, also known as GMOs. GMOs have become a controversial topic in recent years, with some people arguing that they are unsafe for human consumption, while others maintain that they are perfectly safe. So, what's the truth? In this video, we'll be separating myths from facts and exploring the science behind GMOs. What are GMOs? Before we dive in, let's start with the basics. GMOs are organisms whose genetic material has been altered in a laboratory to give them certain traits. This is usually done by transferring genes from one organism to another. This process allows scientists to create plants and animals that are resistant to pests and diseases, have a longer shelf life, and can produce more food. The benefits of GMOs. There are several benefits of GMOs. First, they can increase crop yields, which helps to feed a growing global population. Second, they can help reduce the use of harmful pesticides, as GMO crops are often engineered to be resistant to pests. Third, they can make food more affordable, as farmers can produce more food with less land and resources. The risks of GMOs. Despite the benefits, some people are concerned about the risks of GMOs. One common concern is that GMOs are unsafe to eat. However, the overwhelming majority of scientific studies have found no evidence that GMOs are harmful to human health. In fact, GMOs are subjected to rigorous safety testing before they are approved for human consumption. Another concern is that GMOs could harm the environment. For example, there are concerns that GMO crops could crossbreed with wild plants and create superweeds that are resistant to herbicides. However, studies have shown that this is a relatively rare occurrence and can be managed with good agricultural practices. Myths and facts. Now, let's look at some common myths and facts about GMOs. Myth: GMOs are unnatural and therefore unsafe. Fact: while GMOs are created in a laboratory, they are no more or less natural than traditional breeding methods, which have been used for thousands of years. Myth: GMOs are not labeled, so it's impossible to know if they're in your food. Fact: in the United States, the FDA requires food manufacturers to label products that contain GMO ingredients. Myth: GMOs cause cancer. Fact: there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that GMOs cause cancer. Myth: GMOs are responsible for the rise in food allergies. Fact: there is no evidence that GMOs are responsible for the rise in food allergies. In fact, the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology has stated that there is no link between GMOs and allergies. So, are GMOs really bad for you? The answer is no. While there are concerns about the environmental impact of GMOs, there is no evidence that they are harmful to human health. GMOs have the potential to help feed a growing global population and reduce the use of harmful pesticides. As with any technology, GMOs should be subject to rigorous testing and regulation to ensure their safety and effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative.